If you've ever been to Trinidad and Tobago or even dreamt of it, you already know the smell of these authentic, delicious coconut drops. It is a smell of home. Today I am showing you how to make the real deal. We are doing it from scratch, the traditional way, with no shortcuts. These are crispy on the exterior and soft, flavorful and buttery inside, brushed with a delicious glaze to get that bakery finish right at home. Let's make them. We have all the ingredients that we need along with our mixing bowl. So let's get started. The traditional way to make coconut drops is to use fresh coconut milk with the husk in it. Add in your freshly grated or blended coconut milk and coconut husk. Melted or softened butter, or you can also use margarine, and this is an additional fat. This makes the inside of the drops very moist. White sugar is good, but brown sugar is the best option in this recipe for its flavor and color. Dark vanilla. We have some blended ginger, which is really good to add flavor and value to the recipe. We can't forget ground cinnamon. Freshly grated nutmeg, which works better than ground nutmeg. Be generous on the nutmeg. We have 1 egg with some grated lime zest for flavor and to replace any egg smells. This is some raisins that I have soaked in hot water to hydrate just for about an hour. They get really nice, plump and juicy when baked. Of course, salt for flavor and balance. Mix everything to combine. The beauty of this recipe is the simplicity of it. Let's add all-purpose flour, baking powder, and we're going to mix everything to combine into a nice dough. Now, if you are someone that prefers your drops very soft, there is a very easy way to tweak this recipe, which I will share with you very shortly. 2 other good spices that make really nice coconut drops are tonka beans and bergamot zest. Some of you may or may not know what bergamot is, so this is a teaching moment. So what is bergamot? This right here is bergamot. Bergamot is a highly aromatic citrus fruit, most commonly known for its signature flavoring behind the Earl Grey tea. If you are a Earl Grey tea drinker, you already know that bergamot is behind that delicious, amazing flavor that some of us like. It resembles a cross between a lemon or an orange or even a lime. The skin of the bergamot is especially used to make essential oils and is very loud in its beautiful aroma. If you have gotten this far into the video, give the video a thumbs up, which helps my YouTube channel to grow by reaching more people, to help me grow and to make better content. This mixture is done and it's ready to be scooped. Using a fork or a spoon, scoop little rounds onto a lined or buttered baking tray. This recipe makes 8 coconut drops. While they are baking, the baking powder will work its magic and they will expand. For a softer coconut drops, use an additional half cup of coconut milk. Use a fork to train them in advance to bake without a round dome. The vintage look will be nice and crispy, which is my favorite part. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes or until they are nice and golden brown. Once out of the oven, brush them immediately with a delicious glaze. I will leave the glaze recipe and the direction in the description box so you can check that out. So, there you have it. Authentic Trinidad coconut drops made the way they're meant to be. They are bursting with flavor with the perfect balance of sweet, spice, of course, coconut. We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.